I'm gonna be going in the Dollarama and seeing how much I can get for my garden for only $10. Come on, let's go. Look at this. $3 for this, and all it is a plastic seed tray. And then we got this. This is a nice little kit, biodegradable pots, some tags. Can't really see, but this is $4 for this, and you can basically use recyclables. So it's kind of a rip-off, guys. It's a bit of a rip-off. All right, guys. So now we are in the main gardening section of the dollar store. As you can see, a lot of gardening stuff. So let's see what we got here. $1.25. Got some pots. Kind of expensive. I could get a big pack of cups for this price at the store. Hey guys, I found this mechanical water timer. It says "Do it best." That's pretty close to my slogan, which is "Grow it best." All right, guys. So I've looked around and I see some things that I want to pick out. So first, I'm gonna get this trellis here. It's $3.50. Looks pretty good, except it's got this hole here, so I want to get a nice sturdier one. I'll get this one. Alright, that's the first thing. Next, we're going to get this one right here. This is the auto watering spikes. You can use these for potted plants. I'm going to use it for my potted pepper plants. I think it'll be interesting to see how it works. So now that's $3.50 plus $2.50, $6, right? And then third thing, we were kind of in that guy's way. So the third thing I'm getting is this plant ties. I really like this stuff. I use it every year for my tomatoes, tying them up. And this is $1.25. So that's $7.25 so far. All right. What else? Oh yeah, guys, I found. You know that video I made about the strange gardening tools?
Next up on my list is the lawn aerator sandals. So these are basically what you think they are. They're sandals that you slip over your shoes, and I guess you basically just walk around on your lawn, and I guess it's gonna aerate your lawn for you.
Well, I found lawn aerator spike shoes here. I didn't expect to find them here. It's just kind of a fluke, but apparently they have them, as you can see on the tag. And I think I'll try these out just because that was in my video. All right, guys, so that pretty much wraps up my dollar store haul. So it ended up being a little over budget, $11.25, but it's pretty cool stuff, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Have a great day.